beautiful day in sunny Sun Valley. Two A.O. Smith water heater replacements, both out of warranty, both needing gas control valves and pellet assemblies. Customer opts to replace both of them. Customer will be providing two new water heaters, and I'm just here to install them. So they are changeouts. Do not come for me in the comments. You don't get any extra upgrades. We install the water heater, new water flexes, new gas flex, existing earthquake strap, minimum venting. You get what you get. I offer 3 price points, and this is the price point you chose. Thanks for calling Bright. One down, one to go. Bada boom. Number 2 down.